Hello my people, how na dey? I agree the full house. Also una dey fine. Una do well, una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. Una do well my people. My brothers and sisters, I bring this video come una see wetin this pastor talk. This pastor Kasi Chukwu. He talk about wetin dey go on for our country. Una know say as a whole Nnamdi Kanu, so the man don't talk about wetin dey go on. Say this our state, so they know wetin they do. Say then they look us like toys. Then they look us like all this baby toys where they say they play, no, where they oppress and go make change, you oppress and go make change. Can you say na so they tell they look us? And really not true, because Nnamdi Kanu not be our problem. They come out, where they know say they get big problem for that country. They come out, they go, they find Nnamdi Kanu, they go. Where they know say Boko Haram dey for there, if they do everything, bad thing with the Boko Haram, what they call it, Fulani estimate, what they do for that country. They no fit look for them at the cash. No, Nnamdi Kanu, now they want go look for, now they want go break up. Now be the problem where we get for that country. No, the truth sometimes it's good when they talk. So as I see what this pastor they talk, the thing I say it makes sense. Not true, because people when something where they really told, where they ready to do, they not they do. They go they find another thing where it not make sense. Now that one they go after. Nnamdi Kanu not be the problem where we get. Big problem there. Every blessed day, people they talk about Fulani estimate or everything, something they happen. Una don't see say our leaders they talk about all these things. No, because they also make them they shout for them. They not get our time. They not get. But they see person where they after them say that person want open their nyash. Hey, they go make sure say they fight that person. Carry and come. Come they talk wetin that person no, come they tell people wetin that person no even do. Many people I'll put the video more than listening to wetin this pastor talk, whether it makes sense or not. For me, it makes sense well. Now do well.
Nigeria government will be like cartoon for their eye. Cartoon. You say they know they look like person. Nigeria government. They know they look. They will never pass a law that will favor poor man. Lie. Anything will favor poor man, they will spoil them. They see you like a toy. They can pinpoint you. You will. If they pray again, you press again. Anytime they want to press you. If Nigeria government nothing cash Boko Haram where they follow us stay Nigeria here. Now can't wait they London and Israel they go cash. The one where not tell Nigeria, they see a cash. That is to tell you our government know what they are doing. If they want to end Boko Haram today, they will end Boko Haram. If they want to cash any crime, anything at all, they go to them. Why Kanu different? Because Kanu they attack them. If they attack them, why they don't want to catch Boko Haram? They say no, Boko Haram is attacking you. Alright. Boko Haram is helping us to kill you. That's right. But Kanu is attacking us. So before he exposes us, let's catch him. They can catch you anywhere. Big man for the lost man, they don't say they lost. Maybe say na poor man, I die for inside hotel room. Na poor man, a mega stores, na I die for inside hotel room. Police will see they do the investigation till today. We for not see Chidinma catch. We for see they look for Chidinma, where they? Who killed her? Who did? Now some family go to forget the matter. But as now big man matter, police don't see nah. So they know people where they do bad, they know people where they do good. You understand? Not be my math, the one for years say, now they see they do the bad. You will catch Kanu for outside country. The rat way they outside. You feel go catch up. I know they support Kano. I know talk say I support one. I know support them. Now they hear me so. No, I'm a reality preacher. So as I talk, just they follow me like that. I know support them. I know they against them. Now they know me don't come this Nigeria. I can't live my own life. The government, only concern because I government. Government will frustrate you. Nigeria government. That's why they need to use sense. So many things know how to Kano. May they just the kekera. Many people they say they are alive because we don't see suffer rich. Make the prophecy where I no give no come to pass because I said there's going to be a bloodshed. That was that bloodshed that brought redemption to Nigeria. So when we see they talk like, we see they advise them, maybe they listen. They cash Kano, they cash. They go abroad, they fly plane. They that plane first class. The cash carry come without gun shuttle. Carry a come. Federal High Court. Boko Haram has been killing. Boko Haram. You know concern them. Instead of them to talk about Boko Haram, I'm not talk about government matter. What happen? Instead of them to attack Boko Haram, they are busy decamping to APC. Is it? Wait. We'll go check Nigeria. All these politicians, we'll go check their head. Oh, I've never seen where somebody will move from progress to failure. I never see that kind of thing once in my life. Nigerian politicians, we will check their head where? If their head correct. You know, they know say Nigeria know they well. They know with their eye, they know say Nigeria know they well. Instead of that to the decamp, they go AC, UN, ACDC. I know I call PDP because they be like brothers, husband and wife. If they quarrel today, tomorrow they settle. They quarrel today, tomorrow they settle. That's what they be. They call it. I don't understand. I be not with this Nigeria then they call the camp. They go to the other political party. I don't swear for them again. The one when I swear for them, they'll never recover finish. I know happy say they won't die like that. You understand? Even when I say like me, people are saying that they enter their body so when they don't know where to enter. Because I know I call they swear for them again. So Tagam with Betty, like me. I don't run at the like me. Where people say they'll just come off for we're good. Just enter we're bad. If waiting they do so, it's good. If waiting they do so, it's good. They know say true. Say APC is really working. Say APC, Nigeria people are proud of them. Say APC, now waiting APC tell us, now they do. It go better for them. It go better. From their front, it go better. Their back, it go better. Their left, it go better. Their right, it go better. But if it be said they know inside them, inside their heart, I know of course now, but una know inside una heart. Say what the APC tell us, no be with the seed now. No go be like I go kill una. I know cause them. I know cause them. Now as they go there, another man go marry their wife. I they bless them. Men are just talking men for the prayer. I don't want to cause them. No, if for their mind, what did they do also is good. As they do us like this, or as APC they do us for Nigeria, do us like this, do us burn us. They burn us, go like burn like this. Burn like if we talk, they go beat us. A political party in the one area. Okay, you are here with a political party. Now, something they make person invest. If person no one verse, don't make person verse. Stay one place. They know they stay. Tomorrow night they'll say run call a PDP. It's okay. Your gate will sleep with your wife. I not curse you. No, I not curse you. So that may you know what you they do us. Because what they do us now, if like say we marry our gate man, they sleep with our wife. And one crack man, as no crack. Now so it go happen to now.
Amen.
Before now come, man rest.